In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a file to a Substack post. We'll walk through a simple workflow that lets your readers download things like PDFs, worksheets, or any other documents directly from your newsletter or article. You don't actually upload the file into Substack itself. Instead, you'll host it somewhere like Google Drive and then link to it from your post. Let's get started. First, log into your Substack account. Once you're on your dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu there. Click on the Create button, and from the drop-down, choose Article. This will open up the Substack article editor where you'll be writing your post. Inside the editor, begin by adding your usual article content. Type in your title at the top, add a subtitle if you use one, and then write or paste the main body of your content. Take your time to get the post looking the way you want. As you're writing, decide where in the text you'd like readers to click to access your file. This might be a phrase like, download the PDF here, or click to open the full report. Go ahead and either type that phrase or highlight an existing piece of text that makes sense as a link. Next, open a new tab and head over to Google Drive. Upload the file you want to share if it's not already there. Once the upload is complete, locate the file in your drive, right-click on it, and copy the shareable link. Make sure the sharing settings allow anyone with the link to view or download the file. Otherwise, your readers might not be able to access it. Now, go back to your Substack post editor. Highlight the exact text you want to turn into a link. A formatting toolbar should appear above or near the text. Click on the link icon, which usually looks like a small chain. A small pop-up will appear next to the highlighted text. In the URL field, paste the Google Drive link you just copied, and then confirm by clicking the link button. At this point, your chosen text is now linked to the file in Google Drive. When your readers click that text in the published post or email, they'll be taken directly to your file to view or download it. That's all you need to attach a file to your Substack post using a simple, reliable link.